In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a custom export preset in DaVinci Resolve. If you've created your own export presets in DaVinci Resolve and want to clean things up by removing one you no longer use, the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find your custom preset and delete it from the Render Settings panel. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Deliver page. This is the section where you manage export settings and create final renders for your project. If you're not already there, just click on Deliver in the bottom page navigation. Once you're on the Deliver page, look over to the Render Settings area. This is where all of your export options are located, including Format, Codec, Resolution, and Presets. Near the top of this panel, click on Presets so you can view the available preset options. From there, find and select the custom preset that you want to delete. Make sure you're choosing one of your own saved presets, not one of the default presets that come built into DaVinci Resolve. Custom presets are typically the ones you created yourself for repeated export settings, so if you've named them based on a platform, client, or workflow, that can help you identify the right one. After selecting the preset, look for the three-dot icon associated with that preset. Click on that menu to open more options. Inside that menu, you'll see the option to delete the preset. Go ahead and click Delete Preset. Once you do that, the custom export preset will be removed from your list. This is useful if you're updating your workflow, removing older settings, or just keeping your preset list more organized and easier to navigate. One quick tip. Before deleting a preset, make sure it's one you truly don't need anymore, especially if it contains export settings you use often. If needed, you may want to double-check the preset name before confirming the action so you don't remove the wrong one by accident, and that's it. To delete a custom export preset in DaVinci Resolve, go to the Deliver page, open Presets in the Render Settings panel, select your custom preset, click the three-dot menu, and choose Delete Preset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.